Welcome back, students. So we'll see another trick in trigonometry over here. So just here I will be substituting the angles to make it easy, whereby within 1 second or 2 seconds you'll have the answer. So first if we see sine 3 theta by 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta is equal to cos theta sine theta minus cos theta minus sine theta. So if you go on simplifying, it will be lengthy. Just substitute angle either 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 in the given expression and option. But see that you should not get indeterminate form 0 by 0 or 0 by infinity. Such conditions you should not get. So here if I take, first if I put theta equal to 0. Theta equal to 0. So given expression will be, if I substitute 0, it will be sine 0 divided by 1 plus 2 cos 0. Sine 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. So 0 by anything is 0. Now put 0 in options. Put theta equal to 0 in options. So if I put theta is equal to 0 in options, cos 0 is 1. So this is not the answer. Sine 0 is 0. This may be the answer. Cos 0 is 1, here it is minus, so this is minus 1. So this will not be the answer. So again this will be 0, minus 0 or plus 0, both are same. So our answer is either B or D. So I am not sure whether B or D. So I will change the angle. So now what you do? Substitute another angle. So I will put theta is equal to 30 degree. I will substitute theta is equal to 30. So if I take theta is equal to 30, so given expression will be, so if I put 30, numerator will be sine 90, 1 plus 2 cos 60, sine 90 is 1, 1 plus 2 cos 60 is 1 by 2, so 2 gets cancelled, you will have answer 1 by 2. So here answer I have got positive, means this is not the answer. So an answer will be sine theta. Or you can put theta is equal to 30 in option, in options. So if you put 30 in options, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So this is not the answer. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. This may be the answer. If you substitute 30, these two will be negative. So these will not be the answer. So option B is our answer. So within 2 seconds, you will be able to have the answer. Similarly, if I take second one. Second, x is equal to a secant theta plus tan theta bracket square. Y is equal to b into bracket secant theta minus tan theta bracket raised to 4. Then x raised to 4 y square he has asked. So again easy. So angle to get expression easy is either 0 or 90 in most of the cases. So I will put theta is equal to 0. Theta equal to 0. So in the given expression, if I put theta is equal to 0, so x equal to a into bracket. Secant 0 is 1, tan 0 is 0. So you will have 1 square. So x is equal to a. Similarly, you will have y is equal to, if you put theta equal to 0, this is 1, this is 0. So y is equal to b you will have. So therefore x raised to 4 y square will be, x raised to 4 will be a raised to 4, y square will be b square. So you should get answer a raised to 4 b square. So if you check the options, a raised to 4 b square is option D. So D is the answer. Just within step you will be having the answer. Clear, students? Similarly, if I take third one. Third, cos A by cos B is equal to n, sin A by sin B is equal to m. Then m square minus n square in bracket sin square B is equal to. He has given options. Now here, if you take A equal to 0, B is equal to 90. So if you take A equal to 0, cos 0, 1, cos 90, 0, 1 by 0 is infinity. So such angles you cannot take over here. So you should have a determinate value over here. So easy is, any angle you can take other than 0 and 90. So I will take, let A is equal to 45 degree, B is equal to 45 degree. B is equal to 45 degree. So if I take A is equal to 45, B is equal to 45. So if you substitute, so cos 45, here also cos 45, both are same, so you will get n is equal to 1. Here also both 45, so you will get m is equal to 1. So if n and m are 1, so if you substitute here, this is 1 square minus 1 square into sine square 45, means this expression will be 0. So given expression is 0. So if given expression is 0, now check options. Now check options. So if you substitute this value in options, you should get 0. Means answer is either A or C. So you are having answer either A or C. So again now change the angle. So if you change the angle, you will get different value. Then again you can check it. So now what I will do? I will take A is equal to 30 degree. B is equal to 60 degree will take. A is equal to 30, B is equal to 60. Any angle you can take which will be easier for you. So if I take 30 and 60, n is equal to. So n is equal to cos 30 root 3 by 2 divided by cos 60 1 by 2. So n is root 3. M is equal to sin 30 1 by 2 sin 60 root 3 by 2. So this will be 1 by root 3. So given expression, if I take given expression m square minus n square, so 1 by 3 minus 3 into sin square b into sin square 60. Sin square 60. So if you simplify this, so you will have minus 8 by 3 into sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So sin square means it will be 3 by 4. So you should have minus 2. So now substitute in A and C, in which you will get minus 2, check. So if I take option A, 1 minus n square, that is root 3 square, that is 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So I am getting minus 2, means answer is A. You need not check C. So if you substitute here, it will be 1 minus root 3. So our answer is A. Clear, students? Even you can check for other angles, you will have the same answer. So if I go for fourth one, x is equal to sin theta plus cos theta, y is equal to sin theta into cos theta. Then, so here you will not be getting indeterminate because the denominator is 1. So I will take theta is equal to 0 degree. So if theta is equal to 0, x equal to sin 0 0, cos 0 is 1, so x is 1. Y equal to sin 0 0, 0 into this will be 0, so y is 0. Now substitute this in expression. Given expression will be, so x is 1, y is 0, so 1 raised to 4 1. If you substitute here, this will be 0. Minus, if you substitute 1, minus 2, y is 0, again here y is 0 and plus 1. So 1 minus 2 plus 1, so again answer is 0, means our option A is the answer. Clear, students? Similarly, now if you see here, fifth one, here we are having all trigonometric functions, that is sine, cos, tan, cot, secant and cosec. So here you cannot take 0 and 90. So because tan 90 is infinity or undefined, so cot 0, it is undefined, so you'll have problem over here. So better we'll take easiest. Let A is equal to 45 degree. A is equal to 45. So if I substitute in given expression, secant 45. Secant 45 is root 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 bracket square. plus cosec 45. Cosec 45 is root 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2 bracket square minus cot 45, tan 45, 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is 0 even you don't write. So now if I simplify, if you take LCM, 2 minus 1, 1. So 1 by root 2 square plus here also you will have 1 by root 2 square. So this is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1. So answer is A. Answer is A. Clear, students? So similarly, you can practice other problems. So again, if you like it, students, please share with your friends and ask them to subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.